everyone, hope you all are doing good. I am Anjana from LearnoHub, the free learning platform where you can study math, science and SST absolutely free at LearnoHub.com. In today's class, we are going to discuss ICSE Class 9 Maths Chapter 6 Simultaneous Linear Equation. We'll be discussing equations reducible to linear equations and problems based on simultaneous equations with examples and solve questions from exercise 6D and 6E. Are you ready for the session? Let's begin. Equation reducible to linear equations. With this example, we'll understand how to reduce an equation into a linear equations. Both of these expressions are equations. You can see an equal to sign. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. But we can see that the variables are in the denominator. In an equation, it should be linear to call it a linear equation. That is in a straight line. XY variables should be in the numerator. Okay. So these fractions, you can see that the x and y variables are in the denominator. We are going to convert it into a linear equation and then solve to find the value of x and y. Let's see how. We have studied the method of elimination by equating coefficients. If you have two expressions, you will be multiplying throughout the first equation with the coefficient of x in the second equation, or you will be multiplying throughout the first equation with the coefficient of y in the second equation, and also the second equation throughout with the coefficient of y in the first equation. By doing this, what happens? Either x or y coefficients will become equal, or the x and y containing terms will become equal. Then which is equal, you will just cancel it out and the remaining will be there. That is, if x is cancelled out, if x coefficient, x terms are same in both the equation, are made same in the both the equations, then the y terms can be determined. That is, the y value can be determined. If we are having y terms same, if you are making y terms same, then the x terms can be used and we can find the value of x. The same method we are going to use here. Here you are having 7 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 2. The first equation, and 2 by x plus 13 by y is equal to 22. Here I am going to make the x containing terms the same. Okay, for that I am multiplying throughout the first equation with 2. And throughout the second equation, I am multiplying with 7. Then what do we get? The first equation becomes 14 by x plus 2 into 8, 16 by y is equal to 2 into 2, 4. 7 into 2, 14 by x plus 7 into 13, that is 91 by y is equal to 154. Okay, we got two expressions. Okay, when you compare this, you can see that here we have 14 by x and here also we have 14 by x. They are having the same sign. To remove, what should be done? We have to subtract the second equation from the first equation. Then what do we get? 14 by x and minus 14 by x will become 0. 16 by y minus 91 by y. What is 16 by y minus 91 by y? Taking LCM, we get y in the denominator. Numerator we have 16 minus 91. Okay, what is 16 minus 91? You get minus 75 divided by y. Okay, so here you will be having minus 75 divided by y, that is equal to 4 minus 154, which is minus 150. Okay, therefore minus 75 by y is equal to minus 150, or minus 75 is equal to minus 150 y, that is 75 is equal to 155 y. Okay, so this is a linear equation. This is a linear equation in one variable. We have made the equation into a linear equation. Now we can solve for y. Y will be equal to 75 divided by 150, which is equal to 1 divided by 2. Y value is 1 by 2. Now to find x. To find x, what should be done? Either in the first equation or in the second equation, we are going to substitute the value of y. We'll substitute in the first equation 7 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 2. That is 7 by x plus 8 into 1 by y is equal to 2. 7 by x plus 8 into 1 by y. If y is equal to 1 by 2, then 1 by y will be equal to reciprocal of 1 by 2, that is 2. Okay. So 8 into 2 is equal to 2. 7 by x plus 16 is equal to 2, or 7 by x is equal to 2 minus 16, which is 7 by x is equal to minus 14. Then we can find the value of x. X will be equal to minus 7 by 14, which is minus 1 by 2. So we got the x and y values. X is equal to minus 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 2. So these are the values of x and y by solving these equations. We are reducing it into linear equation and then finding the value of x and y. Now with the same example, we are going to try an alternative method. In this method, what we are going to do is, to make this into a linear equation, what we are going to do is, we need the variables in the numerator. Yes, that is, we should be able to write the expression in a straight line. Only then we can call it a linear equation. For that purpose, what we are going to do is, 1 by x and 1 by y we are going to change. Here we are having 7 by x plus 8 by y is equal to 2 and 2 by x plus 13 by y is equal to 22. What I am going to do is, I will take 1 by x as sub a and 1 by y as b. Okay, now wherever you have 1 by x, you will put a, and wherever you have 1 by y, you will be putting b. So 7 into 1 by x plus 8 into 1 by y is equal to 2. Okay, here we have 1 by x, this becomes 7a plus 8b is equal to 2. What about this expression? 2 into 1 by x, that is 2a. 13 into 1 by y, which is 13b plus 13b is equal to 22. Now we can equate. Okay. So here we have linear equations in two variables. A and b are the variables. So we are going to find the value of a and b first, from which we can find the values of x and y. Okay. Elimination by equating coefficient method we are going to use here. Okay. Now you can see that to make the a containing terms same, what should be done? The numerator, the first equation, throughout the first equation, we are going to multiply with 2. And throughout the second equation, we are going to multiply with 7. Then what do we get? What does the change happen? Here, 2 into 7a, which is 14a, plus 2 into 8b, 16b, is equal to 2 into 2, 4. 7 into 2a, 14a, plus 7 into 13b, 91b, is equal to 7 into 22, which is 154. Okay. Now subtracting the second equation from the first equation, because you can see 14a and 14a sign both have the same sign. If there is same sign, you will be subtracting. If the signs are different, positive and negative, then you will be adding the equations. Okay. 14a minus 14a is 0. 16b minus 91b, you will be getting minus 75b. That is equal to 4 minus 154. That is minus 150. Okay. We can find the value of b. Minus 75b is equal to minus 150. Okay. Which means 75b is equal to 150 and b is equal to 150 divided by 75, which is equal to 2. So b is equal to 2. Now we can find a in any of the expression, that is 7a plus 8b is equal to 2. Substitute in place of b. We have the value of b, which is 2. 7a plus 8 into 2 is equal to 2. 7a plus 16 is equal to 2. 7a is equal to 2 minus 16. 7a is equal to minus 14 and a is equal to minus 14 by 7, which is equal to minus 2. So we got the values of a and b. Okay. A is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to 2. We have 1 by x is equal to a. Then what is x? X will be equal to 1 by a. Here we have the value of a, which is minus 2. So 1 by minus 2, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. X is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now 1 by y is equal to b. Y is equal to 1 by b. Y is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So these are the values of x and y. Same we have got in the previous method also. Okay. Which one is comfortable for you? You can use that method. Now let us solve more problems from exercise 6D. Question 1 of exercise 6D. Solve 9 by x minus 4 by y is equal to 8. 13 by x plus 7 by y is equal to 101. Here we are going to put 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. Okay, then what do we get? 9a minus 4b is equal to 8. 13a plus 7b is equal to 101. Okay, now we are going to eliminate the coefficients. Okay, so method of elimination by changing the coefficient, by equating the coefficients. So here you are having 9a and 13a, 4b, 7b, multiplying throughout the first equation with 7 and throughout the second equation with 4. Okay, then what do we get? 63a minus 28b is equal to 56. 4 into 13a, that is 52a. 4 into 7b, 28b is equal to 404. Okay, now you can see here we have 28b, here we have 28b. This is negative 28b, this is positive 28b. So adding the equations. Okay, on adding what do we get? 63a plus 52a, that is 115a. These two gets cancelled. Okay, then we will be having 460. On adding 56 and 404, you get 460. Then what is the value of a will be equal to 460 divided by 115, which is equal to 4. We got a is equal to 4. Now substitute either in first equation or the second equation. 9a minus 4b is equal to 8. Okay, that is 9 into 4 minus 4b is equal to 8. 36 minus 4b is equal to 8, or 4b is equal to 36 minus 8. You will be getting 28. 4b is equal to 28, b is equal to 28 by 4, which is 7. Okay, now we can find what x and y are. 1 by x is equal to a, which means x is equal to 1 by a, that is 1 by 4. Y is equal to 1 by b, which is 1 by 7. So the x value is 1 by 4 and y value is 1 by 7. So these are the values of x and y. Question 3 of exercise 6D. Solve 5x plus 8 by y is equal to 19. 3x minus 4 by y is equal to 7. Only the y containing term has the variable in the denominator. So we'll just change this one only. Okay. So here we have 5x plus 8 by y is equal to 19. Let us take 1 by y is equal to some a. Then the expression becomes 5x plus 8a is equal to 19. And the other expression becomes 3x minus 4a is equal to 7. Now, elimination by equating coefficients. Here we are multiplying throughout the first equation with 3 and throughout the second equation with 5. So that the x containing terms will become the same. Here we have 3 into 5, 15x plus 3 into 8, 24a plus 3 into 19, 57. 5 into 3x, 15x, 5 into minus 4a minus 20a, 5 into 7, 35. Okay, now we are going to subtract the second equation from the first equation. 15x minus 15x gets cancelled. 24a minus of minus 20a, which is 24a plus 20a, 44a is equal to 57 minus 35, that is 22. A is equal to 22 by 44, which is 1 by 2. A is equal to 1 by 2. Now we have to find what x is. Take the expression 5x plus 8a is equal to 19. 5x plus 8 into 1 by 2 is equal to 19. 5x plus, cancelling we get 4. 4 is equal to 19. 5x is equal to 19 minus 4. 5x is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 by 5, which is 3. So we got x is equal to 3. Okay, we have a value. We have 1 by y is equal to a, which means y is equal to 1 by a. That is 1 divided by 1 by 2 equal to 2. So y is equal to 2. So these are the values of x and y. Question number 5 of exercise 6D. Solve 3 by x minus 2 by y is equal to 0 and 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 19. Hence find a if y is equal to ax plus 3. First we have to find the values of x and y and substitute in this to find the value of a. Okay. Again we will be taking 1 by x is equal to a, 1 by y is equal to b. The expressions becomes 3a minus 2b is equal to 0. 2a plus 5b is equal to 19. Okay. Now, these are the two equations, multiplying throughout the first equation with 2 and multiplying throughout the second equation with 3. What do we get? 2 into 3a, 6a minus 2 into 2b, 4b equal to 0. 3 into 2a, 6a plus 3 into 5b, 15b is equal to 3 into 19, 57. Okay. Now, you can see that 6a, 6a, both are positive. So, we are going to subtract the second equation from the first equation. On subtracting, what do we get? 6a minus 6a gets cancelled. Minus 4b minus 15b, which is minus 19b, equal to 0 minus 57. Minus 57 and then b is equal to minus 57 by minus 19, which is equal to 3. Okay, we got b is equal to 3. Now substituting 3a minus 2b is equal to 0. 3a minus 2 into 3 is equal to 0. 3a minus 6 is equal to 0. 3a is equal to 6 and a is equal to 6 by 3, which is equal to 2. So, we got the values of a and b. Now, we can find x and y. X will be equal to 1 by a, which is 1 by 2. Y will be equal to 1 by b, which is 1 by 3. So, x is 1 by 2 and y is 1 by 3. Now, we have to find the value of a by substituting the x and y values in this expression. Okay. Y is equal to ax plus 3. 1 by 3 is equal to a into 1 by 2 plus 3. 1 by 3 equal to a by 2 plus 3. Then a by 2 will be equal to 1 by 3 minus 3. A by 2 is equal to denominator 3. 1 minus 9. Okay. 3 into 3 is 9, which is minus 8 by 3. Then a is equal to minus 8 into 2 by 3, which is minus 16 by 3. A is equal to minus 16 by 3. Okay, we have determined the value of a by finding the values of x and y. Question number 8 of exercise 6D. Solve a by x minus b by y is equal to 0. ab square by x plus a square b by y is equal to a square plus b square. So, when you check this equation, you will understand there is no numbers. We have to find the values of x and y, which are the variables in the linear equation in two variables. Okay, here we have a and b. So, you will be getting x and y in terms of a and b. Now, you cannot put 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b, because here we already have a and b. The expressions are in terms of a and b. So, what we can do is 1 by x is equal to m, 1 by y is equal to n is possible, or 1 by x is equal to u, 1 by v is equal to 1 by y is equal to v. This is possible. Any of this you can take. So, put 1 by x is equal to u, 1 by y is equal to v. Then the expressions becomes au minus bv equal to 0, ab square u plus a square bv equal to a square plus b square. Okay. Now what can be done? We have to make the coefficients of either u or the coefficients of v the same. Okay, for that what can be done? Here we have u containing terms. This is a and this is ab square. So we are going to make ab square in the first equation also. What should be done? Multiplying throughout the first equation with b square. Then ab square u minus b cube v equal to 0. And ab square u plus a square bv equal to a square plus b square. So we have got ab square u in the first equation and ab square u in the second equation. We have the same sign, both are positive. So subtracting the second equation from the first equation. ab square u minus ab square u, it is 0, minus b cube v minus a square bv minus b cube v minus a square bv is equal to 0 minus a square plus b square. Okay, now you can see that negative sign is common. We have b cube here and b here. One b can be taken out. V is common. So minus bv taken out. Remaining is b square plus a square. That is equal to minus of a square plus b square. Okay, then v will be equal to minus a square plus b square divided by minus a square plus b square into b. A square plus b square gets cancelled, negatives gets cancelled, then minus 1 by b. So v is equal to 1 by b. Okay, v is equal to 1 by b. Now we have to find the value of u. Okay, we have au minus bv is equal to 0, au minus b into 1 by b is equal to 0, b gets cancelled, au is minus 1 is equal to 0, au is equal to 1, then u is equal to 1 by a. So we have 1 by x is equal to u, which implies x is equal to 1 by u. That is 1 by a equal to a. 1 by y is equal to v, which implies y is equal to 1 by v equal to 1 divided by 1 by b equal to b. So we got a and b values. Okay, so x is equal to a and y is equal to b. We are getting x and y in terms of a and b. Okay, x equal to a, y is equal to b. Now we'll be learning how to solve problems that are based on simultaneous equation. First, we are taking problems which are based on numbers. With this example, we'll understand the sum of two numbers is 12 and their difference is 2. Find the numbers. Here, the numbers are unknown. We don't know what the numbers are. In that case, we'll be taking the numbers as x and y. With variables, we'll be representing unknowns. Okay. Let the numbers be x and y. Okay, what is given? The sum of two numbers is 12, which means x plus y is equal to 12. And their difference is 2. Difference means subtracting the second number from the first number, you should get 2. X minus y is equal to 2. So here we are having two equations. These two are linear equations. They are linear equations in two variables. Now we can easily solve to find the values of x and y. Okay, so here we have x, both are positive, y positive, minus y. Okay, positive and negative. So I am going to add the first and second equations. X plus x, 2x, y minus y is 0, 12 plus 2, 14, which means x is equal to 14 divided by 2, that is 7. Okay, we have x plus y is equal to 12, 7 plus y is equal to 12, then y is equal to 12 minus 7, which is 5. Y is equal to 5. Okay, now just check if the two numbers are, 7 and 5. So adding, how much do we get? 7 plus 5 is 12. Subtracting how much do we get? 7 minus 5 is 2. Okay, hence this is verified. Clear? Next, problems that are based on fractions. Take this example. If the numerator of a fraction is decreased by 1, its value becomes 2 by 3. Okay, but if the denominator is increased by 5, its value becomes 1 by 2. What is a fraction? In a fraction, you will be having numerator and denominator. This numerator and denominator are unknown values. Unknown values will be representing with variables and we'll find the variable value to get the fraction. Okay, let the fraction be. Let the fraction be x divided by y. Numerator is x and the denominator is y. Okay. Now what is given? If the numerator of a fraction is decreased by 1, which means here the numerator is x, x decreased by 1, subtracting 1 from x, its value becomes 2 by 3. Denominator should be the same, the value will be 2 by 3. Okay, we have to make this a linear equation in 2 variable. Okay, for that cross multiplying 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 2y, 3x minus 3 is equal to 2y, 3x minus 2y is equal to 3. So this is our first equation. Okay, now to get the second equation. But if the denominator is increased by 5, which means the numerator is same, denominator is increased by 5, adding 5 to the denominator, it becomes y plus 5. The value becomes 1 by 2. Again cross multiplying, 2x is equal to 1 into y plus 5, 2x is equal to y plus 5, 2x minus y is equal to 5. This is the second equation. Okay, first equation and second equation. Now we'll solve these equations to get the values of x and y. Then we can find the fractions. Okay, first equation 3x minus 2y is equal to 3. Second, 2x minus y is equal to 5. Okay, multiplying throughout the second equation with the 2. What do we get? 3x minus 2y is equal to 3. 2 into 2, 4x minus 2y is equal to 10. Okay. Now you can see minus 2y, both of them have the same sign. So subtracting the second equation from first equation. 3x minus 4x minus x minus 2y minus of minus 2y. Minus 2y plus 2y which is 0. 3 minus 10, that is minus 7. Then x is equal to 7. Now we have to find y. Substituting in any of the equation, we have 2x minus y is equal to 5. 2 into 7 minus y is equal to 5. 14 minus y is equal to 5. Then y is equal to 14 minus 5, which is 9. Okay. So y is equal to 9. X is equal to 7, y is equal to 9. So x by y is equal to 7 by 9, which is the fraction. Okay. So this is a required fraction. Now based on 2-digit numbers. Okay. Let us take this example. The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 7. If the digits are reversed, the new number increased by 3 is equals 4 times the original number. Find the original number. Let us take the original number. So here a 2-digit number will be having a unit place and tens place. Okay. For example, in the number 12. So 1 is in the tens place and 2 is in the units place. Okay, so how do you get 12? The tens place number you have to multiply with 10 and the units place number you have to multiply with 1. Okay, so 10 plus 2 gives you 12. Now, if you have a 3-digit number, for example, 123. How do you get 123? You have to multiply hundreds digits number, hundreds place number. You have to multiply with 100 plus 2 into 10. So 2 is in the tens place. 3 is in ones place or units place. So 100 plus 20 plus 3, which is 123. Okay. So here we'll take in the units place, let the number be x, and in the tens place let the number be y. Okay. So the number will be 10y plus x. Okay. 10y plus x. Now what is given? The sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 7, which means x plus y is equal to 7. X and y are the digits of the 2-digit number. So this is the first equation. If the digits are reversed, what happens? So when the digits are reversed, you will be having in the units place y and tens place x. Okay. Then the number will be 10x plus y. Okay. The new number is increased by 3. This new number is increased. When it is increased by 3, that is adding 3 to it, will be equal to 4 times the original number. So what is the original number? Original number is 10y plus x. Okay. 10y plus x. Okay. From this you will be getting the second equation. 10x plus y plus 3 is equal to 40y plus 4x. Okay. Now taking all the variables to one side, 10x minus 4x plus y minus 40y is equal to minus 3. So 10x minus 4x is 6x minus 39y is equal to minus 3. 6x, 39, y 3. So what is common? You can see 3 is common. So dividing throughout with 3, you will get 2x minus 13 y is equal to minus 1. So this is your second equation. So from these two equations, you can find the values of x and y. Okay. First equation, x plus y is equal to 7. Second, 2x minus 13y is equal to minus 1. Multiplying throughout the first equation with 2 to make the x containing terms of first and second equation same. Okay, then you will get 2x plus 2y is equal to 14. 2x minus 13y is equal to minus 1. Okay, 2x, you are subtracting the second equation from the first equation. 2x minus 2x becomes 0. 2y minus of minus 13y. 2y plus 13y, which is 15y, is equal to 14 minus of minus 1. 14 plus 1, which is 15. Then what is y? Y will be equal to 15 by 15, which is 1. Okay, y is equal to 1. We have x plus y is equal to 7. Then what is x? X will be equal to 7 minus y, which is 7 minus 1. X is equal to 6. Okay, x is 6. So unit place we are having 6. Tens place we are having 1. So the number is 16. 1, 6. Okay. Now let us solve problems from exercise 6E. Question 1 of exercise 6E. The ratio of two numbers is 2 by 3. If 2 is subtracted from the first and 8 from the second, the ratio becomes the reciprocal of the original ratio. Find the numbers. So here we are given that the ratio of two numbers is 2 by 3. Let the ratio be represented as x by y. Numerator x and denominator y. So x by y is equal to 2 by 3. If 2 is subtracted from the first, means x minus 2. And 8 from the second, y minus 8. The ratio becomes the reciprocal of the original ratio. Original ratio is 2 by 3. So this becomes 3 by 2. Okay. So we have to find the numbers. X by y is equal to 2 by 3. Cross multiplying, we will be getting the linear equation. 3x is equal to 2y. Or 3x minus 2y is equal to 0. So this is the first equation. Now the second equation, 2 into x minus 2 is equal to 3 into y minus 8. 2x minus 4 is equal to 3y minus 24. Okay, that is 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 24 plus 4, which is minus 20. 3x minus 2y is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 20. So these are the equations. Now we are going to equate these equations, that we are going to eliminate the coefficient to get the values of x and y. Multiplying throughout the first equation with 2 and throughout the second equation with 3. We get 6x minus 4y is equal to 0. 6x minus 9y is equal to minus 60. So 6x minus 6, we are going to subtract the second equation from the first equation. 6x minus 6x is 0. Minus 4y minus of minus 9y. Minus 4y plus 9y, which is 5y is equal to 0 minus of minus 60. 0 plus 60, that is 60. So y is equal to 60 divided by 5 equal to 12. Now we have to find x. To find x, take any of the equation, that is 3x minus 2y is equal to 0. Put the value of y here. So 3x minus 2 into 12 is equal to 0. 3x minus 24 is equal to 0. X is equal to 24 divided by 3, that is 8. So the fraction is x by y is equal to 8 by 12. Okay, numerator is 8 and the denominator is 12. Understood this? Question number 4 of exercise 6E. The sum of two positive numbers x and y is 50 and the difference of their squares is 720. Find the numbers. So here the numbers are given x and y. Also x is greater than y. The sum of the two positive numbers is 50, which means x plus y is equal to 50. And the difference of their squares is 720. Take the squares and find the difference. That is x square minus y square is equal to 720. Okay, what is x square minus y square? We have a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, which is an algebraic identity. Okay, then what is x square minus y square? X square minus y square will be equal to x plus y into x minus y, equal to 720. We have x plus y is equal to 50. So this is our first equation. From first equation, we have x plus y is equal to 50. Substituting 50 into x minus y is equal to 720. 0 can be cancelled. Then you have 5x minus 5y is equal to 72. So this is your second equation. First equation and second equation, we are going to equate and find the values of x and y. Both of these are linear equation in two variables. Okay, so x plus y is equal to 50. 5x minus 5y is equal to 72. Okay. Now, what should be done? Here you can see we have 5x and here it is x. To equate, we have to make the x containing terms the same, or we have to make the y containing terms the same. So I am going to multiply throughout with 5. 5x plus 5y is equal to 250. 5 into 50 is 250. Second, 5x minus 5y is equal to 72. Okay, now subtracting the second equation from the first equation. 5x minus 5x can be cancelled. 5y minus of minus 5y. 5y plus 5y, that is 10y is equal to 750 minus 72, which is 178. Then what is y? Y will be equal to 178 by 10, which is 17.8. Okay, so y is equal to 17.8. Now to find x, we have x plus y is equal to 50. Okay, which means x plus 17.8 is equal to 50, or x is equal to 50.0 minus 17.8. Okay, then how much do we get? You will be getting 32.2. Okay, so x is equal to 32.2 and y is equal to 17.8. So these are the two numbers, two positive numbers. Clear? Question number 9 of exercise 6E. The sum of the numerator and the denominator of a fraction is equal to 7. 4 times the numerator is 8 less than 5 times the denominator. Find the fraction. Here we will be taking x as the numerator and y as the denominator. Let x be the numerator and y be the denominator of the fraction. Okay. Then the fraction is x by y. The sum of the numerator and denominator of a fraction is equal to 7, which means x plus y is equal to 7. 4 times the numerator is 8 less than 5 times the denominator. What does it mean? 4 times the numerator, 4x, okay, is 8 less than. 8 less than means 5 times the denominator, that is 5y minus 8 will give you 4x. Okay, 4 times the numerator is 8 less than 5 times the denominator. Okay, or we can write this as 4x minus 5y is equal to minus 8. So this is your second equation. Okay, and this is your first equation. So equating, we can find the values of x and y. X plus y is equal to 7. 4x minus 5y is equal to minus 8. So I am multiplying throughout the first equation with 4 so that I can make the x containing terms of the first equation and second equation the same. 4x plus 4y is equal to 28. 4x minus 5y is equal to minus 8. Now here you can see 4x positive. This is also 4x positive sign. So we have to subtract the second equation from the first equation. 4x minus 4x is 0. 4y minus of minus 5y, that is 9y is equal to 28 minus of minus 8. 28 plus 8, which is 36. So what is y then? Y will be equal to 36 divided by 9, which is equal to 4. We got the value of y. Y is equal to 4. Denominator is 4. Now we have to find numerator. How to find numerator? X plus y. The first equation, x plus y is equal to 7. X plus 4 is equal to 7. Then x is equal to 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. The fraction x by y is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the fraction. Okay. Question 15 of exercise 6E. A 2-digit number is such that the tens digit exceeds twice the units digit by 2 and the number obtained on interchanging its digits is 5, more than 3 times the sum of the digits. Find the 2-digit number. So we have a 2-digit number. Let's say, let the units place be x and tens place be y. Okay, then what is the number? 10y plus x will be the number. Now it is given that a 2-digit number is such that the tens digit exceeds twice the units digit by 2, which means the tens digit is greater, and it is greater by how much? 2. Okay, twice the unit digits, that is twice the unit digit means 2x. Tens digit is y. Y minus 2x will be equal to 2. Or you can write this as 2x minus y is equal to minus 2. So this is the first equation. Okay, and the number obtained on interchanging its digits. So interchanging digits, what is the number obtained? You will be having in the tens place y and in the unit place you will have x. So it is 10x plus y. Okay. So the number obtained on interchanging its digit is 5 more than. 5 more than means 10x plus y is equal to 5. 5 more than 3 times the sum of the digits. 3 times the sum of the digits. Sum of digit is x plus y. Okay. So, this is greater. Which is greater? On interchanging digits, what we are getting? That number is greater than 3 times the sum of the digits by 5. Okay. So, 10x plus y minus 3x minus 3y is equal to 5, or 7x minus 2y is equal to 5. So, this is the second equation. Okay. So, first equation is 2x minus y is equal to minus 2. Second equation, 7x minus 2y is equal to 5. So, we are going to multiply throughout the first equation with 2. Then we get 4x minus 2y is equal to minus 4. 7x minus 2y is equal to 5. Now, subtracting the second equation from the first equation. 4x minus 7x. What is it? Minus 3x. Okay. Minus 2y minus of minus 2y. Minus 2y plus 2y, which is 0, is equal to minus 4 minus 5 minus 9, which means x is equal to minus 9 by minus 3, that is 3. Okay, so x is equal to 3. Now we have to find y. Y is equal to, y minus 2x is equal to 2, which means y is equal to 2x plus 2, that is 2 into 3 plus 2, which is 6 plus 2 equal to 8. Therefore, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 8. Okay, then what is the number? The number is 4y plus x. Now, what is the number? The number is 10y plus x. That is equal to 10 into 8 plus 3, which is 80 plus 3 equal to 83. So, the number is 83. Okay, on interchanging, you will be getting 38. Question 18 of exercise 6E. A 2-digit number is obtained by multiplying the sum of the digits by 8. Also, it is obtained by multiplying the difference of the digits by 14 and adding 2. Find the numbers. So, here, let the 2-digit number have the digits, that is the units place. Digit will take it as y and tens place digit as x. Okay. Then what is the number? The number will be 10x plus y. Okay, 10x plus y is the number. A 2-digit number is obtained by multiplying the sum of the digits. What is the sum of the digits? Sum of the digits is x plus y. On multiplying x plus y with 8, you will be getting the 2-digit number. Okay, so this will give you the first equation. 10x plus y is equal to 8x plus 8y. Okay, that is 10x minus 8x plus y minus 8y is equal to 0. We are bringing all the terms, all the variable containing terms to the left hand side. 10x minus 8x is 2x. Y minus 8y is minus 7y. That is equal to 0. So, we have obtained the first equation. Now, to get the second equation, also it is obtained by multiplying. That is, you will be getting 10x plus y multiplying the difference of the digits. In two ways, you can get the difference of digits. Either it can be x minus y or it can be y minus x. Okay, so we have to check both the possibilities. First, we'll take x minus y. So, 14 into x minus y. Okay, and adding 2 to this. Adding 2. We have to find the numbers. So, 10x plus y is equal to 14x minus 14y plus 2. Okay, 10x plus y minus 14x plus 14y is equal to 2. 10x minus 14x is minus x minus 4x y plus 14y, that is plus 15y is equal to 2, or 4x minus 15y is equal to minus 2. Okay, so this is the second equation. Now we'll equate first equation 2x minus 4y is equal to 0. Second equation 4x minus 15y is equal to minus 2. Now multiplying throughout the first equation with 2 so that you will be getting 4x in the x containing term of first equation and second equation. So this becomes 4x minus 14y is equal to 0 and 4x minus 15y is equal to minus 2. Okay, subtracting the second equation from first equation, 4x minus 4x is removed, minus 14y minus of minus plus 15y, that is y is equal to 0 minus of minus 2 is plus 2. So y is equal to 2. Now we can find x. To get x, substituting in this equation, 2x minus 4 into 2 is equal to 0. 2x minus 14 is equal to 0 and x is equal to 14 divided by 2, which is 7. Okay, so x is 7 and y is 2. Then what is the number? The number is x is in the tens place, y is in the unit place. So 72 is the number. Okay, now this is one case. We have taken the difference as x minus y. The difference of the numbers, it can be y minus x also. Okay, so when it is y minus x. So now we have the same statement, that is it is obtained by multiplying the difference of the digits. That is 10x plus y is obtained by multiplying the difference of the digits with 14. That is y minus x we are taking now. Okay, and adding 2 to it. So 10x plus y is equal to 14y minus 14x plus 2. So taking the variable containing terms to the left hand side, 10x plus y minus 14y plus 14x is equal to 2. 14x plus 10x, what is it? You will be getting 24x. Y minus 14y minus 13y is equal to 2. So now we can equate, take the first equation, that is 2x minus 7y is equal to 0. Second equation is 24x minus 13y is equal to 2. Okay, now I am multiplying throughout the first equation with 12. Only then I will be getting 24x. Okay, then you will be having 24x minus 12 into 7. 84y is equal to 0. The second equation 24x minus 13y is equal to 2. Okay, subtracting the second equation from the first equation, 24x gets cancelled, minus 84y plus 13y, that is minus 71y is equal to 0 minus 2, which is minus 2. So y is equal to minus 2 by minus 71, which is 2 by 71. So what is y here? So y is the digit in the units place. Can we have a fraction in the units place? Not possible, right? So we cannot take this. The value, that is the digits of the 2-digit numbers are 7 and 2. So you will be getting the number 72. Okay, that's all for today. In today's class, we have discussed how to reduce an equation into a linear equation, and also we have solved many problems related to simultaneous equation. Hope you all enjoyed this session. I'll be back in the next session. Until then, stay tuned to LearnoHub. LearnoHub free hai, par best hai. Thank you.